Social media has taken the world by storm. And with approximately 4.9 billion users, it seems like everyone is on social media today. But not everyone has discovered DESO. So what is DESO? DESO is a blockchain designed specifically for social media. And I think it has the chance to dominate this next bull run. Why do I think this? It's because they're launching a brand new SocialFi app called Focus, which is even going to have a massive airdrop for early adopters and investors, which you can take advantage of today, but only at the time of this recording because time is running out. And in the rest of this sponsored review, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 reasons to learn about DESO and how you can prepare now before it's too late. So if you're ready to learn, I'm ready to teach. Let's get started. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe. So make sure to smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified every single day when I come out with a new video. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please know that everything that I say is not financial advice, and these videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. In full disclosure, we do own some of the cryptocurrencies that I will be speaking about in today's video. And if this video gets 5,000 likes within the first 24 hours, we will do a very special giveaway for our YouTube community. So let's smash up that like button and let's get started. Social and finance. Let's call it SocialFi. This is something that's been in crypto for a few years, but it's still relatively very new. But it's also had some explosive growth, with the likes of a project called Friendtech getting over 1.3 million transactions seemingly overnight. But not every single SocialFi platform has had this success. But I believe social media and finance and crypto is just a matter of time before it gets its act together and there's going to be an emergent winner. Today, social media has a lot of problems, and I know this because I do social media every day firsthand. We deal with censorship, dealing with big corporations, as well as dealing with algorithms and trying to find trends, as well as sometimes being oftenly treated unfairly. And we also have to pay for storage when it comes to using social media in general or running a social media business especially. I know this because I spend hundreds of dollars every single year on Dropbox, Apple Cloud, Google Cloud, and many other storage devices just for my videos and keeping my files handy. This helps with my team to organize all the content and for you to smash up the like button here on YouTube and follow for more because it's free. So thanks for your support. It really does make a huge difference. But DESO is already solving this problem. This is why this is my #1 reason to learn about DESO. I believe DESO is prime for mass adoption. You see, if you were to try to store data or even use Ethereum's blockchain in a bull market, it could cost you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars just for doing transactions. Talk about a really horrible experience. And this prices out 99% of users anyway. But to use and store data on DESO's blockchain, it will only cost you fractions of a penny. That's right. In fact, DESO is 17,000 times cheaper than Solana and over 5 million times cheaper than Ethereum. And this is DESO's massive advantage. It can handle the masses and it's primed and ready for mass adoption. And I think they're going to get a flood of new users in the years to come. And the fact that their blockchain is already set up for handling this use makes me even more interested in this project. But another thing that makes me even more interested, especially as an investor myself in a lot of these new projects, is the team behind the project themselves. You see, when it comes to investing, it's hard to know exactly who to trust. And one of the biggest things to look for first is the team behind the project. DESO's founder, Nadar Al-Laji, has years of experience in crypto and has also worked with Basis Protocol and even has had experiences with Google and Ivy League school Princeton. He's also raised more than $350 million across multiple different startups, and he's also assembled a team of crypto professionals from many different areas. And I've spoken to multiple of their team members. They've been very professional in setting up this review video, as well as explaining everything about DESO and what's coming next, which we'll share in just a minute. Now, DESO's even raised over $200 million in funding from some of the top VCs in the world, like Sequoia Capital. And today, they're still sitting on 2,500 Bitcoin and over $30 million in capital, equaling more than $150 million in total runway. So needless to say, DESO and this team are truly in this for the long run, giving me even more confidence that they're not going away anytime soon. Third reason for sharing DESO with you today is that they actually have real users and real data. In fact, they have over 2.5 million wallets, over 100+ million transactions, over 5 million total posts, and over 6 million total comments. And the really cool thing about crypto, if you don't know, this can all be seen on chain. In fact, users are posting today all of the time using the DESO blockchain, and they're able to do so, and all these transactions transactions are costing literally less than a few pennies. Again, at that point, it's virtually free, but it's not free, and there's a good reason why it's not, because if it were free, you could have some serious problems when it came to the blockchain with spam and a lot of other issues. I believe DeSo's done a great job so far of actually solving this issue to the best of their ability, and the fact that they've had real adoption and real growth makes me even more bullish for the future of this project and what they got coming up next. So what does DeSo have coming up next? Well, my fourth reason is to tell you that they're going to be going to proof of stake. This is something that Ethereum did about a year ago, going from proof of work to proof of stake, and it's absolutely changed the dynamic of the tokenomics for Ethereum, and I believe that DeSo is about to get a shock as well. DeSo is set to transform from proof of work to proof of stake in early 2024, and they've already built all kinds of social media applications on the blockchain. Now, the best part about DeSo is that they're going to be launching a new app called Focus that's going to be coming with a huge airdrop, and we're going to talk about that in just a second. But I truly believe that decentralized social media is one of the clearest use cases for blockchain technology. Imagine that you were a YouTuber or a TikToker and all of a sudden somebody tried to shut you down, or maybe they did, and maybe completely this is something that was a huge mistake and it was just made by mistake. But with DeSo, it's such a game changer that these things are all very transparent and most likely wouldn't happen using their blockchain technology. But now let's get into what you've come here for, the new app. It's called Focus, and right now, at the time of this recording, which is very time sensitive, you're still very early. You see, everyone loves new projects, and the best part about DeSo launching their new app called Focus is that I believe it's going to create a crazy airdrop. Now, airdrops have made overnight millionaires, and we don't make you any promises here on this channel. However, there are opportunities that I like to share only here with my community, and Focus is a fully on-chain social media that's going to combine the best aspects of platforms like Twitter, X, YouTube, Patreon, OnlyFans, as well as adding in other post-to-earn features. These would include having social tokens, on-chain tipping, unlockable content, paid messages, subscriptions, and much more. Here is a look at the Focus white paper, as well as a brief look at the tokenomics breakdown for a deep dive. Again, we don't have time in this video to go through every single detail, but I do want to leave all the links down below in the description for you to continue to do your own research. Now with Focus, you get the Focus token in direct proportion on how much your influence is and how much that you're going to have via your external social network. So someone that has thousands of views per post would be joining at a bonus level of about $100 in Focus token. In contrast, somebody with millions of views for posts, somebody like Elon Musk or maybe a president, would get bonuses in approximately hundreds of thousands of dollars in Focus tokens because they're bringing more value to the network. Now, Focus is set to support Twitter, which is now X, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, email domains, DeSo, as well as OnlyFans at the launch. So with all that being said, this is why I'm really bullish on DeSo and decided to do this sponsored review with you here to educate you about this new project. And right now, the current bonus for the next 22 hours is set at 75%. You can also see there's been over $78 million in reserve in DeSo that's already been reserved by many users. Some of them have reserved millions of dollars in the top 15 to 20 users. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure to do your own research. Also, this is time sensitive for these bonuses. So if you're interested in this, click the links down below to educate yourself and learn more, as this is a fairly complex project. Remember, it's important to really do your own due diligence, as I've done here with you, giving you a basic overview, and I look forward to giving you even more updates with DeSo because I believe that I will be using this platform at some point because I already have such a large social media, and to actually use it with crypto could be a win-win for everyone. It could be a great way for you to come and maybe join and see all my different social medias at one platform, as well as for me and you to interact in a new decentralized way. So thanks again for watching this review video. We can't wait to see you in the next one. Stay tuned, click those links down below to learn more, and we'll see you very soon.